Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to reset Instagram Explorer page. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly open your Instagram. Now when you will open the search panel at the bottom, you will find that this is your Explorer page. Now let me show you how to reset this. The first thing that you have to do is just simply remove the search history. So you can go to the search panel at the top and you'll find your search history over here, or you can go to your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner. Now go to settings and privacy. Then go to account center. Now over here, just simply click on your information and permissions. And right over here you will have search history. Click on that. Now choose the account. So in this case it's going to be Instagram account. So choose that. Now right over here you will have all of your search history, and depending on the search history you will get your suggestions. So just simply delete them by clicking on the X icon over here and remove them one by one, or just simply sort them as you can see by clicking on this option and newest to oldest or oldest to newest, depending on you, whichever way you want. But you have to remove them one by one as you can see right over here. So all you have to do is hit on the X and they will be removed. So this is the first method. Now the second method is go back and again click on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then again click on the three lines at the top right. Go to settings and privacy. And now this time click on suggested content. Now over here just simply open the panel of interested. And over here if you have made any post interested, just simply unselect them from here by clicking on the select option at the top. Then choose the interested post and then remove it. And do this for all of the media that is available right over here. So after that, go to the sensitivity option or sensitive content option. Click on that. And now just simply choose what type of sensitivity that you would like on your account. So in my case, I have kept it at less because that way the sensitive content will be less and the algorithm will not show the repeated content which have much higher unsensitive content. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.